Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our question is, what is the role of family in living? Since human beings feel insecure, they need family. They can't live alone. They need companionship. They need relationships. Now, what is life? Life is defined as relationship in action. So, family becomes an important unit of living. Now, if a family is constituted on the basis of spiritual wisdom, what happens? All the members of the family can live together without any conflicts. They will have love and compassion. They will not treat other members as separate. The whole family will be treated as a single unit. But our mind never allows to do this. So each and every member must be very much careful and alert. To happen this, all must have an alert mind. A meditative mind we must have. Then only such a thing will happen. To consider all the members as equal needs alertness of mind. Generally, it does not happen. But the aim of family is to live together. Togetherness needs love and compassion. Compassion is the highest principle of life. Life is what compassion is. If a family is based on love and compassion, then the members will be on the path of spiritual wisdom, spiritual knowledge. They will realize themselves. They will have a chance to have self-realization. They will experience goodness in their life. They will have all the blessings of the existence. There will be no conflict between the members. Outside a family, we find people are corrupted. Those who are living on the basis of spiritual wisdom will not be corrupted. They cannot be corrupted. They will cooperate with the others. They will consider the whole existence as one. They will have the basic training of how to live. They will be ready to learn the art of living. To live a life of perfection needs spiritual knowledge and wisdom. People are found that they become antisocials later. Why it happens? If a family is not founded on the basis of spiritual wisdom, lot of evils take place. What kind of evils we see? People will become corrupted. People will become violent. They will not be able to know themselves. They will be the cause of wars. Where do the wars start? Actually, the wars start in the family itself. If the members of the family are not loving, there itself war starts. So, the members should cooperate each other. For that, spiritual wisdom is needed. Spiritual wisdom treats all the human beings as equal. Not only equal, they treat the whole existence as the same reality. So it is very easy that we can treat others as equal. So a family should be founded on the basis of love and compassion. If the family is not founded on the basis of love and compassion, then lots of evil will arise. Corruption, violence, hatred, all these negative aspects they will be involved with. In the present day situation, we face this. We find very easily these kind of things are normal way of life. It has become in that way. The reason is that they don't have any spiritual wisdom. If they have spiritual wisdom, one can avoid these things very easily. Corruption is one of the major issues of life today. We are wasting our energy to tackle corruption, but to be free from corruption it is very easy. If one has spiritual wisdom, they will be free from corruption. They will not be against other human beings, because the other human beings are also part of themselves only. The basis of spiritual wisdom is that only the self exists here. Self does not mean that petty self. There is only one self, the whole existence. We mean the self by the existence. There is only one reality. So, a family founded on the basis of spiritual wisdom will not be divided. That will be a single unit. They will consider the whole existence as their family. Hence, they will be a light unto themselves. That is the right way of living. So, to live here, spiritual wisdom is a must. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video describing another aspect of life.